Mm. Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. And sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Okay. No issues. Sorry for let you be on our teams waiting since a long time. Okay, guys. I would like to introduce first of all myself. I'm Vishwas Patil, basically from Pune. I'm working currently in my current organization as the AM trainer come AM. So I have been 13 years plus experience in US mortgage only. Started career with modification underwriter in homeward residential. And later on, I have worked 5 to 6 organizations, different organizations. I do have live end-to-end compartmentalized and QC and team handling experience as well. Now, currently, I'm working as a professional trainer for US mortgage. So, first of all, I would like to, get some information from you people. I would like to know, what kind of experience do you people have? What are the expectations from our team? So we will plan accordingly. So, guys, if possible, try to give an overview of your experience and expectations so that I will note it down and plan accordingly, guys. Am I audible, guys?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, yeah. Please continue. If I am clearly audible, then guys, uh, please continue. Just tell me what experience do you have and what you require from our end. So see, in underwriting there are few like expectation like pre-underwriting, post-closing underwriting, live underwriting, end-to-end underwriting. So that whatever experience you do
Yeah,
have, or else you don't have anything, that also tell me so that I can note it down and plan accordingly, guys, for all of you.
yeah, thank you, Vishwas. Yeah, myself, Rukmang Reddy. I have 3 years experience of like pre-underwriting. So I have a review of the documents of forces of documents. Mainly, I have review in the appraisal and the collateral documents. This is the my role and responsibilities will be continuing the my 3 years of experience in the my current organization. So for
Mhm.
now, I am currently looking for live underwriting. So for that, I need
Okay,
to preparing. Yeah,
okay. Live underwriting experience you need. Okay, in
yeah,
origination, I hope, right?
yeah.
Okay, okay, guys. Next, Dinesh, Vipin, Monica, Arifa. Please, and don't hesitate to, guys. First of all, don't hesitate to express yourself. We all are here, to know each other and plan accordingly, guys, so that I can plan, as per your requirements. Please continue.
Yeah, hi, Dinesh here.
Hi, Dhruv.
Yeah, hi, hi. Please continue, Dinesh.
Okay, yeah, Dinesh here from Tamil Nadu. So I'm having totally 6.5 years of experience into the pre-underwriting, into the LTV part. So
Hmm.
I crossed only two companies. Like
Hmm.
currently, I'm working with TCS.
Oh,
So
really?
I would like, yes.
Okay.
So I
Oh,
would like to
great.
move into live underwriting.
Okay.
So that is why I joined.
Actually, I do also have experience in TCS, more than 5 years of experience, and I had worked for NSM, Round Point, and USAA as well. Okay,
That's great.
nice to hear, Dinesh. Okay,
Yeah.
next, guys. Monica, please continue now.
Yeah, hello. Hello, this is
Yeah,
Monica from Andhra Pradesh.
yeah. Hi.
I'm actually new to this process.
Okay.
Before, I was working as an operation analyst in First Advantage. It is
Mm-hmm.
totally a background verification process.
Okay. Mhm.
So
So
I'm new
you
to this. I have to
okay,
learn from the
okay,
start.
okay, guys. So by the three persons, I could know that few. Two are from a little bit. I can say from underwriting background, and you are completely new. Okay, guys. Someone else. Next, please.
Hello, sir. My name is Bipin, and I'm from Gwalior, MP. And sir, if I
Okay.
talk about my experience, I have 1.5 year of experience as a senior associate in a WNS, where I was working in Indore as a senior associate. I was taking chats and used to resolve the queries of customers. So this process is also very new for me. Actually,
Acha.
one of my friend is also working in a US mortgage company in Excel
Mhm.
Dynamics. So from there, I got to know about this process, and so I just
Acha,
want
okay.
to, uh,
Okay.
yeah, so I just want to work in this process as well.
WNS you said for which, I mean, which process you're working currently?
No, not currently, but I was working earlier. I was
Okay.
working in a chat support for a British gas. It
Acha,
was
okay,
a
okay, got it.
yeah.
Mhm. Got it, got it. Okay, okay,
Okay.
Vipin. Thank you. Next, guys, who has left?
Yeah, hello. This is
Yeah.
Somu from Andhra Pradesh.
Mhm.
Currently, I'm working in HDFC Bank Limited as a
Mhm.
PP Classic.
Okay.
Uh,
Mhm.
so I'm looking to change my domain. So that's
Okay.
why I was here to hear.
Okay.
I do
Okay.
not have
Got you.
any idea about the US market.
Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. I got you. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Who has left? I mean, is there any someone who has left? So five persons. Monica, Dinesh, Vipin, Somo, Rukumanda, and one who has left, guys. Is there anyone left so that I can? Uh, Joy, Nancy is there. Uh, I
Hello.
hope. Yeah, hi.
Hi, Vishwas. We already spoken.
Acha, okay. Got it, Nancy. Okay, guys. Okay. Uh, I hope everybody's done. So now, see, we have. I mean, from what I can say, start of the, I mean, pre-underwriting, post, as I explained, four kind of, but I do end to end. Okay. I mean, I cover from loan application to funding. I mean, till servicing as well. Okay. So I come to know that from you people. I mean, apart from Nancy, you people have, I mean, more than, oh, I mean, little bit five or plus six experience, but she has more than you. But what I will, I mean, plan accordingly what I'm thinking. So I need to start from scratch to servicing. I mean, till funding, closing, and all the stuff. Live underwriting would be covered. Basically, origination part, I will consider all of you required because most of the openings, if you see, if you notice around, most of the openings are in live underwriting only. And that is the most important underwriting perspective by working forces. So my agenda would be, guys, first of all, let you know what mortgage industry is. Okay. So I plan accordingly, and I mean, you people let you know what exactly mortgage industry does and from where it journey starts, from loan application to, as I'm again and again saying, the till funding and all the stuff. Uh, so, I mean, apart from these three people, mm, just, I mean, that WNS guy and one more, Vipin, just tell me, guys, have
Yes, sir.
you, I mean, ever I mean, learn or went through that? What mortgage exactly? I mean, what is the mortgage cycle or something? Have you ever heard or not?
Yes, sir. I have
No.
heard it.
Okay, okay. Mhm.
Yeah.
Mortgage means, I mean, see, there are industries like banking, investment, capital market, insurance, so and so and so. But mortgage is also one of the most important, I mean, aspect when we are working for that. So basically, guys, I will, if possible, I mean, just make it down what we are going to learn in upcoming sessions. So my agenda would be in a first session, I would explain in detail what mortgage cycle is, life cycle is. Okay, so that basic things you should know in which sector you are going to work. Okay, then I will come to the credit, income, assets, collateral, and these are the four C's. Then underwriting responsibilities. You know what, guys? Nowadays, if you notice, there are few institutes or on the internet as well. You will get a lot of knowledge, theoretical knowledge. But as an underwriter, core underwriter, my perspective would be, see, nowadays when arrange your interview sessions and I ask few people practical session, they literally stuck. Okay, I know you people might have heard or known what are the type of assets and all the stuff. I don't ask such questions. I directly ask, what if borrower is having a retirement account and there is no terms of withdrawal? What would be your course of action? So now people will get stuck, guys. So my let you know theoretically first, then I will come to the practically. And after, let's see, I done with the credit, then at the same time only, I ask a lot of, in PPT only, I ask a lot of questions, underwriting logic, you know, till my experience, what scenarios I have covered, I ask then and there only. Okay. So this is my way of teaching, you can say. Teaching, I can't say. I'm just sharing my knowledge, you can say that. Because nobody can't be a teacher in mortgage industry, guys. Trust me. It's like an ocean for me. Now also I'm learning few new things in mortgage. Okay. Underwriting responsibilities, then daily workflow, guys. How it, I will let you know how it works. What is the pipeline? How should be it cleared? Which loan should be prioritized as per their closing and all this stuff. Then real-time scenarios, as I explained. Then interview questions and best practices as well. This would be my complete agenda. Then when I would start to explain what mortgage industry, then who all are the participants. It would be start from borrower first, then loan originator or LO, loan officer, you can say, then loan processor, then underwriter, and so. Okay, I will let you know all this stuff. Then loan types, guys. There are so many types of loans. Then US mortgage market overview, how the US mortgage works, and then fixed versus ARM, conventional, FHA, VA, USD. Okay, these are the, QML and non-QM. Have you ever heard, guys, what is QM and non-QM? Anybody? Okay, no worries, guys. So that will also I will teach you. Don't worry. Then complete mortgage origination process. In this, as I said, it starts from application, loan estimate, processing, underwriting, conditional approval. Now, here onwards, underwriter work start, guys. Conditional approval, it starts in pre-underwriting. Who said that pre-underwriting experience having? They might be known about it. Okay, conditional approval, then clear to close, then closing disclosure, funding and servicing, guys. Okay, now as I'm saying that, I hope you people are listening and I'm audible clearly, guys. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, if I'm going too fast, just please stop there me and ask me to go in a slow, I'm just giving an overview, guys. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah.
What I'm going to give you, I'm just giving in a shorter version. Okay, guys. So don't worry. If you didn't hear properly or didn't get it, just stop there and ask me, guys. Okay. Okay. Mortgage cycle starts from pre-qualification, guys. Pre-qualification means what? Let's say you are the borrower. You don't know. What are the, which loan and which type of a loan you are eligible for, okay, from the lender. Then what you will do, you approach LO and or LO approach you by the advertising or phone call or whatever medium they have. So what happens here, credit and income. Okay, these two most important things, guys. Okay, if your credit is perfect, first thing, your CIBIL score in India as well, you might have known few are the defaulters, so their credit score is lower or something, might be any reason. If your credit score is perfect, then only you can enter in a mortgage, apply for a mortgage. Perfect. Then pre-qualification stage, what we check, guys, first of all, see, in every industry, most of the industry, they don't follow this, but if you see TCS, as one of guy work there. So in TCS, there is a complete start to, pre-qualification to funding process are there. But what they do, they directly don't give one work to one team member. There are separate small teams, guys. Okay, pre-qualification team would be there. Loan application. To as somebody said that they check only documents. That is nothing but the doc review or loan setup. You can say, guys. Okay, that is there. Then loan processing as well. What loan processor does? They collect documents from the loan officer and further documentation. They check thoroughly and they submit their documents to underwriter to review. And here the practical work starts of underwriter, guys. Okay. Then there is a team for closing and post closing as well, guys. Okay. So, and have you ever heard, guys, Encompass? I mean, some of you, have you worked on Encompass? No? I'm asking this question to mortgage experienced people, not to others. Uh, Monica, you also not? Nancy, you? No?
No issue.
Okay, guys. Okay. So most of the organizations, guys, why Encompass use? Because if you have you heard that, I mean, SAP, few I mean functions or a technical I mean that kind of application it is, so it is very user friendly. That's why most of the organization they work on a Encompass. I mean not only Encompass, because see 70% I'm saying. So it is user friendly only. So the reason I will give you the navigation Encompass application, I will show you practically how it looks, how it works. Okay, so that you can say that I have worked on an Encompass, I have this tool experience, you know. So, and two more as well. I mean, if you require clarity as well, cadence. I mean, there are so many. Empower. Okay. So I have worked near about six on six applications. This Laura Mac as well, LM. Okay. So I will give you. I mean, see, applications are different, but the process and documents are the same, guys. Okay, one on the same. If you have the knowledge, it's fine. But somebody may ask you, have you? I mean, see, if you are saying that I do have a 4 years of experience, 2 years, then they will ask you in which application you have worked. Then I would suggest simply say them Encompass, because each and every most of the organizations have Encompass tool, guys. Okay, so I will completely give overview of that as well, and
Yeah,
along with that, yeah, please, yeah, sorry,
yeah,
please.
I have a doubt about that in Encompass. In Encompass, like if someone ask what is mean by LOS means, what we should we tell like that?
Okay, okay, guys. Loan op LO is nothing but the loan operating system. Okay, so see, I mean, Encompass. Whenever they ask you, na, they will not ask you LOS and all the stuff. What they will ask, just tell
Yep.
me.
Okay.
They tell me which documents will you find and all the stuff like this. In borrower summary, what you will find, from where you will run AUS, in under AUS LP or DU, how will you run? So they will ask these questions. Okay, don't worry. That I will practically give you. I mean, in detail. Don't worry. Until and unless if you, I mean, I don't know. There are few people. I mean, in my team, for which I until and unless one also. I mean, let's say one of you also not get clear. I don't go further, guys. Until and unless your doubts don't get clear, I don't jump on the next topic. So don't worry. I will give you, I mean, overview or explanation each and everything, whatever I'm saying. And apart from that, also, I will try to, if you people are interested, I'm very much interested to teach, guys. Okay. Then I will, journey starts of any loan, guys, from URLA. Have you ever heard URLA 1003 form, guys?
Yeah,
Some of
definitely
you?
from yeah, we know that.
Okay. Okay. Then you might be know that borrower information, employment, income, asset, liabilities, REO, property, loan information, declaration, all the stuff. Correct. So I will for my I mean when I start first two sessions, I mean first session would be my mortgage cycle, then industry and all the stuff. Later on, my practical journey would start from the URLA only, guys. Okay. So it is a start of loans journey, So everybody, I mean, this is the form. Borrower is proactively stating that I do have this much, and each and section consists of the borrower information. In that borrower, what they inform, I do here. I do have 2 years of experience or 3 years of experience. Actually, we require at least 2 years of employment history, guys. Okay, basic things, and 2 years residential history to know that whether the borrower is US citizen, permanent residential alien, or non-PR as well. Okay, according to that, few rules. I mean, have you ever heard that now Donald Trump has been declared that few visa types are not working further? Okay, so those things also will, I mean, latest update also I will cover what changes are being in, announced till the date. If you notice that now an upcoming credit report is going to change, but did not even apply. I mean, automated now, but in future might be. So I will let you know that, and whatever updates coming from client side in my current organization, I am the only person who is cascading all this stuff. So I will let you know those real type updates as well, guys. Okay. Then credit review, guys. First, C will start from credit. Okay. So in credit, guys, there are credit report like tri-merge credit report, credit. I mean, I will let you know what is the tri-merge and why we usually focus on that. And credit scores, what credit score, what is the minimum score is requirement now, what are the trade lines, okay, credit report sections and type of various type of account, guys, that revolving, installment, collection, charge off, public record, bankruptcy, foreclosure, so and so and so. Yeah. And then inquiries. What are the inquiries? Why do you look at the inquiries? Why it is important? And why look only for 90 days? What is the credit report validity and all the stuff? Okay. Then undisclosed debt, DT, and why credit is important? Because it is important to in DTI calculation. What is DTI, guys? Mortgage experience people.
Debt to income ratio.
Correct. That is why it is very important, guys. Okay. In 4Cs, why we focus on a credit only first? That will also I will explain. Why didn't I jump directly collateral or capital or capacity? I will let you know when I start on a credit report, why I'm taking this first C to first. There is a logic, guys. Whenever you are
Yes.
going for an interview, yeah, if somebody knows, please, I mean, I would like to hear from you people why I prefer credit first. Is there any logic, guys? Do you think?
Like it is a like main character. Like so, without
Correct.
any credit history, we can't go to the further steps
Correct.
like that.
As I mean, start of the, I mean, session only, I told you that if your credit score is okay, then only I go further, right?
Yeah.
If your credit score is below 620, then man, you are not eligible. And why should I review all the documents?
Yeah, it's waste of time.
Correct.
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
Okay. That is the logic. And the second most logic, if each and everything is at their place, but still, guys, if you have you ever heard if mortgage delinquency is more than 60 days, then file will directly decline, guys. Okay. It has happened with our guys. What they do, they go to the title, appraisal, purchase, asset and all this stuff. And later on, they come to know that, oh man, this man is having in one delinquency more than 60 days. Then file is straight away going to decline, right? So
Yeah.
I suggest go through first of all credit only, guys. It is the main first step, most important step. So that's why I go with the credit review. Then income analysis, guys, most important. Okay, why I go after credit income? There is also one logic, guys. Okay, have you ever heard the large deposit concept, guys?
I
Large
had.
deposits.
Yeah.
Okay, try
Like
it. Don't worry.
yeah. Yeah. Like borrower income. Like borrower income is more than 50% if the
Perfect,
deposit
perfect,
is like that. No.
perfect.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Then there is also logic, guys. While explaining now, when interviewer asks you why you jump to the second topic of income, then you should directly tell them it is important. Whenever large deposits I am going to consider in asset section, then it is determined by the borrower's monthly income. That's why I prefer second step of income. Then only I come to know that what borrower is earning on a monthly basis, and that condition will apply for the asset in large deposit. Okay. I will let you know when I mean, covering the income section, what is the logic and why I'm taking, I mean, see, each and everything would be on the internet, but logic wouldn't be there, guys. Okay. Your
Yeah.
logic should be very clear, guys. Okay. So that I mean, interviewer will clearly come to know that, no, this guy has real experience. Okay. Then in income analysis, guys, there are two types of main income, guys. One is salaried and second is self-employed.
Self. Yes. Right.
Self.
Okay. Yes, correct. Then under, I mean, for salary borrower, there is one more word, terminology we used to call that is W2 borrower. Okay. So in that, guys, there are again in salary, there are type of I mean, like hourly, uh, weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly,
Bi-weekly,
annually.
semi-monthly.
Under that, guys, there are few basic components and variable components like PTO, seek, salary base. These are the basic, and then overtime, bonus, commission. Okay, these are the variable incomes, and how to treat with the variable and basic, that I will explain in. Whenever I'm covering the salary borrower part. Okay, and there are other income as well, guys. Like, have you ever heard social security, asset depletion, foster care, child support, alimony? Correct. So those
Yeah.
will also. There are 26 type of other incomes, guys. Small other income. I will let you know each and everything in detail when we will cover the salary part. Then self-employed, guys, most important because why? Every interviewer do not want to know what are the salary and other, and they will focus on clearly come to the topic of self-employed only. By this section only, they will come to know how much knowledge do you have. Okay. In self-employed, we will, cover the individual, Schedule C or Schedule F. F is for what, guys? Do you know? Like Schedule C is for sole proprietor. Then
Yeah,
F
solo
is,
proprietor.
and
Yeah.
then F is for farming, guys. US farmer.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
sorry. Yes, farming.
Okay.
Yes.
So that will I will first I will cover in individual, and then I will come to the partnership. That is nothing but the 1065.
That's it.
Uh, yes. Then 1120C, that is COP. 1120S, that is S COP. And then K1. Sometimes what happens, guys? Let's say borrower is having a ownership of experience less than 25. Still, we will qualify the borrower according to the K1. Okay, so that will I will explain and give you some cash flow analysis examples. What are the add bags, guys? Have you ever heard add bags means what? While calculating I'm not sure for pre-underwriters, but you might be, have you ever heard add bags? Depreciation, depletion, amortization, casualty, one-time loss, or something. Okay, these
No.
okay, no, yeah, these are the add bags, guys. Okay, and
Okay.
liquidity, why we run the liquidity, because it is this kind of a question may raise a question for who's ever saying that I do have on your about 8 years, 7 years, 10 years experience. For those person only, I don't ask this question to less than 5-year person. Okay, practical example, I don't ask. Liquidity means what, guys? I will explain in self-employment section. Okay, why do we need to run the liquidity, why it is important? Okay, when borrower is having origination, uh, I mean, I will explain in detail, well, because I'm going to explain here, then you won't understand. So I do not want to get confused, you people, but I will just giving an overview, guys. So most important when somebody is running the business stability is most important, guys. Okay, if the business is stable, then only I can consider the income, and then I will come to the asset. Here also there is a logic why I kept the asset at a third place. The only logic which I given to the income to consider large deposit concept, I will take the session after income only, not before. Okay. So in asset, guys, there are a type of assets. Okay, liquid, non-liquid, saving, checking, money market, mutual fund, stock, bond, cash, deposits, CDs. So I will cover that as well in asset section, guys. Gift funds, grants, reserves. What reserves? What do you know about the word of reserve, guys? Do you have any? I'm asking this question to three people only who does have a mortgage experience. Reserves means what? Have you ever heard?
Yeah, I
Okay.
heard, but
Okay,
yeah,
okay, no issue, no issue, no issue, no issue. Okay, reserves is nothing but the whenever you are going to purchase a new property or your existing property is refinancing, at least 2 months or maximum 12 months of reserves means your monthly PITIA we
yeah,
required. Okay,
yeah.
that is reserves. Okay, so I will explain that as well in a practical with a practical example. Okay, then source of funds, guys, most important. In US, see, in India we don't bother below 50,000, but in US each and every amount, guys, each and every amount that should be sourced and that should be legal, guys. Okay, that should be come from a legal source only. That is most important in asset section, guys. Okay, so cash to close. Why assets are most important? Because for the cash to close requirement. Okay. So that will I will explain. And then we go to the property and appraisal, guys. What is the fourth CA, guys? Property and appraisal. There is a one word like
Collateral.
yes, exactly. Okay, so that I will cover. And in collateral part, guys, most important, it is all about the property, all about the property. Current market value of the property would be determined by this only. Okay, that is why it is most important. It is most important. Why? Because I mean, at the end of the day, you will, I mean, you are coming to the lender to know the what is the property value, correct? And which is determined by the collateral only. So that I will explain. And while explaining, I will let you know what are the sales comparison, what is the cost approach. Guys, okay, there is an update. I mean, now it is not now, but in 2024, somewhere around, it is given update that previously used to see there are three comparison approaches, right?
Right, correct.
Cost,
Three or
cost,
five.
income, and
Minimum 3 or maximum 5. Yeah.
no, those are comparisons. Those are comparable, guys. Don't get
Okay.
confused. I'm asking about the approaches, comparison, sales comparison approaches, cost approaches, and income approach. Okay. Now, Fannie Mae has, skipped cost and income. They kept only sales comparison approach, and which you are saying that is comparable, guys. Comparable, minimum 3 comparable. You are correct.
Yes.
That is minimum 3 comparable we required in a collateral. Okay, market conditions and what are the repairs. I mean, see, let's say that property having some repairs alteration. So what form it is? I mean, there are form 1004E, 1004C, 1004D. Okay, so we'll look in detail when we are looking in appraisal and property section. And red flags, guys. Appraisal related red flags. What are the exactly red flags we have to determine? I mean, by looking at the property and appraisal. So that we will look in detail. Then title review, guys. Most important, guys. At the end of the each and everything done, there is a one document, and this is, I mean, apart from 4C, title is. I mean, I take that I include this as well because in end-to-end underwriting, you should know that. Okay, it is the part of a core underwriting only. So I will let you know what title it is, what is the vesting, what are the liens, type of liens, judgments, easement and encroachment. What is the difference between easement and encroachment? These are the core points interviewer may ask you. Okay, what are the HOA? HOA means what, guys? Homeowners Association. Correct. Taxes, insurance, title exceptions. Okay, I will cover in title. Now, most important, guys. Most important. Why I'm saying? Because at the end of completion of file, you should run DU or LP, which is nothing but AUS review, automated underwriting system. Okay. When we need to run the DU, when we need to run LP. Okay. What are the throwbacks of DU, like approve eligible, LP throws accept eligible. Okay. What are the risk factors? According to that, what conditions we skip, add, or delete. Oh, okay. I will cover in AUS review. Then condition part, guys. Like initial approval, pre-underwriter people just tell me. I mean, I just want to know. While after running the AVS, till which condition, I mean, you work? I mean, like initial only or later on, I mean, conditionally approval part as well. Somebody said that, no? They're from pre-underwriting background. I mean, I forgot the name. Guys. Okay. No issue. Acha, please. Speak up, guys. Don't worry. Speak up. Nobody is here judging you, and I'm not the interviewer, and I'm not taking a decision. You are selected or rejected, guys. Okay, don't worry about that.
Yeah, we added some conditions like if the conditionally we need to run that. After that.
Okay, no issues. See, guys, that will also. I will. Why I'm correct. No worries. I'm here to explain each and everything. Don't worry.
Yeah,
so
sure.
Initial approval would be there, and after initial approval, guys, there are few conditions. File may get suspended. Okay, until and unless you don't provide the further documents, clarifications, file would be on a suspend. Okay, what is PTD and what are the PTD conditions, like prior to docs, prior to close, prior to fund, clear conditions. So I will explain each and every stage and how to work, what is the underwriter role. And it is, guys, not for 4Cs, not for origination, not for initial, or not for post closing. I'm covering each and everything end to end here. Okay, so these are the condition part for end to end underwriting. And then fraud detection, guys, most important. While reviewing file, because there are people that doesn't necessary that everybody is applying for on a good manner and they all are okay. The in US also there are fraudulent people. Okay, like there are chances of occupancy fraud, income fraud, asset, identity fraud, guys. Okay, this will you will come to know by the credit report, while OFAC,
Mm,
initial extended fraud. Okay, that I will explain. Straw buyer. Okay, red flag. I mean, there are buyers. They don't buy for themselves. They buy for other and show that they are applying themselves. So these are the scenarios, live scenarios. I will explain how it works and why it is important. Okay. Then alter documents. Let's say borrower has provided a pay stub. Live example I'm giving. They had provided pay stub, and instead of gross YTD, they given some XYZ amount, but that is altered, not printed. Okay. So such scenarios. Sometimes what happens, guys, each and everything is perfect, but employer name is mismatched. Okay, EIN number is not matching with all other pay stubs. Small things are, guys. Okay, so I will explain that when I'm explaining in the fraud section. Then production and quality, guys. Okay, now I'm coming for the professional people who have experience at least 2 or 3 years. Then these kind of say questions interviewer may ask you. Okay, they don't ask me simple. Tell me a type of income, what is the 1120C, and what are the add backs and how you deduct and liquid. But after all, are asking these questions like SLA, productivity, accuracy, daily updates, quality metrics, audit findings, and escalations. On this topic, they will ask you what is SLA, what is productivity. I mean, such questions. I mean, somebody is from a team lead background also. For those people, these are the most important questions according to the mortgage background, guys. Okay. And then, as I explained, what is the workflow? I mean, why should I give the particular file a very, priority? So that will also, I mean, on a daily basis, they may ask you for which file you will give a priority. Then you should know that whichever file is closing is near, then I will approach first that only. And sometimes priority file, lender, or I mean client proactively ask you to force to work on that only. And then those files become a priority base. Okay, according to client only we work. We don't, sometimes what happens, let's say tomorrow is closing, but they are saying prioritize some X file before that. Then we have to work on that as well according to their situation. Then pipeline management guide, guys, most important. There are loans. You should manage your pipeline. There might be files. I give you a live example, guys. Okay, what I do that I will explain. See, there are files like one file is cash out refinance, one file is a purchase file, and one file is a investment properties file, and one another file is having self-employment income purchase as well. So according to suppose you people told me that somebody is a fresher, somebody is having a 2 3 years of experience, somebody is having a pre-underwriting experience, and somebody said that more than 10 years experience as well. So then I will prioritize according to their expertise and knowledge and experience, guys. Okay. So this is the role of leader, SME, who's ever having more than 3 years or 4 years of experience, for those only. So they should be, think on it. What is the file prioritization, pipeline management, conditions review, okay, communications. And communication part comes when, as I told you, let's say while working on a VOE, guys, okay, verification of employment before closing 10 days. That should be confirmed from that whether that employee actually working on their own. While what happens, guys, why I'm saying this? See, you have applied a loan in June, guys. Okay. Now it is August and file is about to close. When you applied loan, that time you were working. But what is the current your situation. To know that, I should give importance to the VOE. There are few teams, guys, in TCS as well. They have separate team VOE. In my current organization also, we have a separate team, 2 people team, small team, but most important, guys, because they are confirming what is the current situation of the borrower and the employer. So it is important communication part as well, and some tips. Extra. Productivity tips, guys. Okay. Then case studies, most important. I will give you few case studies, and I will, as an assessment, if I'm giving some case study to today, I will ask you people come with a solution next day. Okay, each and everybody. When we done with all the practical and theoretical sessions, then I will ask few case studies of W2 self-employment, as I'm saying, investment properties and declining income, guys. Okay, you may stuck on what is declining income, why it is important, large deposit, gift funds. In gift also, I will ask you what is gift of equity. You people may know gift, but you people might, I don't know. I'm not sure how many of you know what is gift of equity, which document it is required when gift of equity is there, then multiple REOs, bankruptcy, divorce, rental, and so and so. Okay, all this will be covered, and after covering these, guys, I do have my questions, set of questions, according to, I'm not saying each and every, but I will tell you WNS, emphasis, citus, modder, FSL nothing but the first source, opus, Wipro, Indicom, Infinity, and one more TCS, and Infosys as well. So I have my circle. I have collected few questions what they ask. Okay. According to that, I have a set of questions near about 65 or 70 questions somewhere around. And difficult question, not easy question. I don't ask what is mortgage, what is loan type. Okay. Real time scenarios, real time questions I have collected. Okay. Because in working in this industry, I have my little circle. So I used to be in that only because I am also an interview. I also need to be updated, guys. Okay. That is the only reason I keep, what is happening. CA as well, guys. Nowadays, it is in picture in Pune. It is newly set up, consolidated analytics. Okay. So, it is important for me to take care of my students, not students, colleagues, I can say. Okay. So I will give apart from these guys, anything, let's say, apart from this also, if somebody is wanted to learn from me and whatever I can give you, I will give you. It may be with the situation, suppose on any topic I could not give the exact answer at the time, but for sure I will find it, I will give you. I will not let you stuck at the time, guys. Okay, because I am also still I am learning. I don't say that I am a perfect. Each and every scenario teach me a new, knowledge. Okay, so that is my perspective to view the underwriting, guys. And it's a very logical line. Nowadays, if you heard that, guys, IT people are getting threat, but I mean, trust me, guys, in November, I believe, October, November, once the interest rates get down, trust me, there would be a bulk and bulk. Nowadays, openings are there, still opening because they know, they read the market. But once the US federal government declare the at least 0.5%, even they reduce, no? A lot of things are going to happen in future, guys. This would be my complete agenda and what I can say plan from my end. Just suggest me few more things if you want. Then those will I will add because I am writing it down. Okay, your experiences and all the stuff. So we will cover that as well, guys. Now you can speak, guys. How? I don't know whether you people are there or not. I'm just only the person, and only one person is speaking with me. I hope everybody is listening and they listen properly.
No, I think we have to follow the checklist also, right?
Yes, checklist, underwriting checklist. Yeah, that is
Yes.
that is determined. I mean, that is set for those, let's say, I mean, have you ever heard the loan setup team or doc review team?
Yeah.
That is mainly set up for those. And for underwriters, guys, for underwriters, we prepared a checklist for appraisal only. Why? Because appraisal is the only thing. Each and everything should be at that place. But if you are setting the checklist, I mean, see, at initial stage, you will set the checklist. Like as I said, checklist should be for what? Credit should be reviewed first. I mean, first of all, URLA should be reviewed. According to that, we need to check a document. Then credit report. In credit report, which sections will be check? What are the small things? Type of accounts, like say installment account is there, student loan is there. If the balance is there and payment is not there, then for FHA, what percentage you will collect? Then you should say that 0.5% of the total balance. So these are the checkpoints. I mean, revolving balance is there, then 5% of the balance. Okay. So we will cover this, and open account is there, charge off account is there, collection is there. So checklist is also important, but at the initial stage only. Once you become used to in underwriting, you know that no need to check. I mean, having a checklist. So that will also we will cover. Don't worry. What
Okay.
else,
So
guys?
for live underwriter, no need checklist.
See, as I told you, the checklist in what terms, guys? See, four C's you will mainly concentrate on a live underwriting, correct? So
Yeah.
checklist is important for this. I mean, this is a checklist only. No, if you notice that, why I'm checking credit first, that is your first check. Why
Yeah.
I'm going a income, that is second check. And income also, there are few checkpoints. Like suppose you are reviewing a salaried borrower. Then first of all, you should look the borrower name is correctly mentioned. If SSN is there, then SSN should be corrected. What is
Yeah.
the current address mentioned on the pay stub? Employer name, EIN, and that pay stub should be within 30 days of a note application, whatever. I mean, before that. So these are the checkpoints, guys.
Right.
Okay, small things. I mean, pay frequency should be there, YTD should be there, current YTD, gross YTD. Okay, sometimes what happens, they don't give current YTD, they give direct YTD. I mean, gross YTD. Why it is? Because they come. I mean, there are might be scenarios like they are considering the variable income for a calculation like bonus, I mean, commission or overtime.
Commission.
So these, what are the YTD pay stubs, year-end pay stubs? Why do we require instead of WVOE? Why don't provide borrower WVOE? Because that is additional charges, okay, for WVOE. Instead of asking WVOE, we simply ask for year-end pay stubs. So whenever we cover the small things, we will, I mean, deep dive in that. So don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, apart from this person, I don't think so. I mean, nobody is speaking. Don't worry, guys. I don't apply charges to speaker. Please speak up. Dinesh, Vipin, Tomu, Nancy, Monica. You people are there, right? I hope.
Yes, sir, we are.
Yes,
I'm
Vishwa.
here.
Okay. I thought that I am the
Yes.
person only who is continuously speaking. Okay. Guys, what are your expectation? What do you think? Apart from this, also you require something? Just tell me so that I can note it down and add in my training plan, guys. Is there any suggestion to me to add, or it is enough, or more than enough?
Sir,
Present
I
it
have
is
one
enough.
more question.
Going forward, we have to
Okay.
change some other plans.
Okay. We what you said? Please come again.
Yeah, present it is enough. Going forward, we have to change some other plans also.
Don't worry. It is up to you guys. See, whatever I do have learned
Yeah.
in my 13 or 14
Yeah.
years of career is till 2012 to today. I mean, I am in that sector only. So each and every
Yeah.
day, today also, I learn few new things, guys. So
Yeah.
whatever I can give, I can give you. Don't worry. And as an
Yes,
interviewer,
sir, I
I
have
know.
one question.
Yeah. Don't call me sir. Yeah. I mean, call me. My name is Vishwas. I'm your colleague, kind of a
No,
colleague. Don't worry.
okay. I just want to ask, sir, even in the future, in near future, will
Mhm.
AI overtake this role as well, like the other IT sector?
Frankly, guys, let me tell you one thing. We are also implementing few things. But guys, AI don't don't do each and everything. Okay, they need professionals. Okay, what AI will do, whatever we are giving a prompt, giving a suggestion, according to that only they can throw conditions. Okay, but they don't do each and everything because mortgage is the thing, guys. It will never end up. Okay, mortgage is
Yes.
a requirement like insurance. Okay, but more than that, if you notice, have you ever heard 3 years or 4 years of experience, 5 years of experience, US insurance person got salary 12 or 12 plus? No, right? But in mortgage industry, trust me, guys, there were two. Learnees. Taught them 6 months only and 6 months of practice. After being a 1.5 years experience, now they got cracked. They got a salary 9 lakh per annum, guys. Being a 1.5 year experience only. Why? Because they have a knowledge, guys. Okay, doesn't
Yeah.
matter how many years of experience and what you are. Doesn't matter, guys. Trust me. If you have a
Sir, I
knowledge,
have Sir, I have one more question as well.
Mhm,
As I do have a completely different background for the mortgage, so
mhm,
yes, I will be considered as being a fresher. So,
mhm.
being a
don't
fresher,
don't
how
don't
many
don't
how
don't don't don't. That's what I'm saying. If you have at least 1 years of experience, just tell me how many years of experience in current organization. Don't tell me that your organization what you are okay.
1.5 year experience, but not in a
That's enough.
mortgage. So it's
No, no, no.
okay,
That
okay.
I know. That
Uh,
you know. No need to tell interview that I don't have a. Then they will directly consider as a fresher
okay,
only. No? You should
okay.
say that I'm
Hmm.
working. See what I will tell you. What would be my idea? My suggestion. If you are working let's say you are working for an insurance department or chart department, whatever
Hmm.
you are doing, and
Hmm.
you do have one hour, then you should say that I'm in a loan setup team. I used to
Okay.
review documents. According to their, I label those documents and get file ready for underwriter. Means what? You are preparing file for under. They know that you are in that field, but how much knowledge you do have, they will ask further questions. If you directly say them, I don't have
Hmm.
experience, then directly they will not consider. And if you say that, I'm at least having this much of knowledge, and I assure that after, I mean, let 3 or 4 sessions complete, then you will have a experience and you will proactively say that I do have a experience 1.5 year and I'm okay for a pre-underwriting at least. Okay. After few
Hmm.
sessions and
Hmm.
once sessions
Yes,
done,
yes.
you are okay. That's what I'm giving an example of two those girls. They were here with me only 9 or 10 months hardly because it is a newly set up. And now they selected for C. I'm saying no. So it is practical, like guys. I'm not saying hypothetical. Okay. So initially I understand. See, nobody is perfect in this world because I don't know about capital market and investment. Okay, how can I say that? But after getting some knowledge, practical scenarios, then you will also have a experience, guys. Okay, and most important, you will get a confidence.
Sir,
What else,
one more
guys?
thing.
Mhm.
Sir, is this mostly a remote job for the
Uh,
mortgage?
Guys, see, I will tell you those companies' name. Which companies allows most is nowadays. If you have heard of Modern, First Source, um, Sutherland,
Yeah, yeah, I hear.
then Indicom, Altisource. Uh, there are companies, guys. Half of them they require strictly work from office. Half of them they require at least 2 months of training, like Emphasis. Emphasis does at least 2 months of office training. Then they allow. Then Indicom as well, same thing does. CA also used to have, but now CA is asking to come to office. Uh, WNS also, guys. In WNS, there is one process, guys, penny make process. They ask work from home, not work from office, guys. So there are
Uh,
possibilities, guys. Vipin, you might have. You are from WNS, right? You are from.
yes, yes, I,
Uh,
I,
then
I I
you,
work in WNS.
then you might have heard that penny make process is there in WNS for. I mean, work from office. They allow work from home, guys. There are projects according to the projects and client requirement, guys. And modder completely allow modder FSL, and then the Infinity, Data Infinity, you might have heard. They allow completely work from home. And trust me, guys, if you are not that much confident, I would suggest at least go in office for 2 months. Why I'm saying? Because see, there are situations, guys. If you are in a practical present at office, no, as per my experience, I'm saying it is very easy to hand over knowledge or but it is possible, but not that much, guys. Virtually when you can do after few months of practical, working in office, no, then you can prefer work from home, guys. Because see, now after getting a few months of experience, now you are independent, guys. You are not dependent on anyone. Then you can say that I prefer work from home. Now, if I am preferring that work from home, but the office doesn't allow me because each and every day I need to, handle a team and train, newly coming people. So there are scenarios, guys, what to do. What else, guys? Is it enough? I'm expecting few questions from experienced persons, I mean, what they require. At least I can add few things, because they know little bit. Freshers or I mean, other domain, they might not have that much, but I'm expecting few concerns from experienced person. What should I add? What should they think? No questions, guys?
Vishwa, whichever you have discussed, like I have overall 10 plus years of experience, and whatever the topics that you have discussed, I am not familiar to it actually. So
Okay. No issues, no
it's like
issues.
completely different domain, and
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, not domain, completely into the different departments. Like
Yeah, I agree. I know we discussed yesterday. Don't worry,
yeah,
we will cover each and everything. No worry.
so
It is
it's
for you.
really
I mean, see, yeah. It is for you and at the time of fresher as well. That's why I told you it is not only for 4C, it is not post closing, it is not live only. It is end to end. I use the word end to end, guys. So each and everything I will try to complete. Don't worry. So everybody will be beneficial after completing this course. Now, I mean,
yes.
after completing, you can say that we do have a end-to-end underwriting experience. If somebody wants to try core underwriting, compartmentalized, segment-wise as well. So might be after completing, somebody will get a job for on a asset, credit, only income as well. So that is also possibility. Yeah, please.
Hi Vishwas. So
Yeah, hi.
this one is into residential or commercial as well.
Completely residential, completely residential. And why I'm saying this, guys? If you, I mean, apply your common logic, no? How many organizations having a commercial? Only Citus, guys. Trust me, only Citus. Because 11 or 12 organizations, they don't even entertain commercial. Why? Because if you see, I mean, home is everybody's need, right? On a commercial, in India also, 99% ask for mortgage on a home loan. I mean, they require a home, investment properties like that. And the mortgage works, I mean, that industry works according as per your need only. No? So we get opportunities in residential only. I'm not saying that you won't get any opportunity in commercial, but probability is 5% out of 100. And same things would apply there only, guys. Each and everything is same. I have worked for that as well. When I was in Citus, no, I have worked for that as well. So no, I mean, each and every rules are only few property related things and amount related things are quite different. Loan limit is quite higher than a residential. That's it. Rest all things are same. US borrower, credit, asset. Okay. Only property, appraisal related thing would be changed. That's all.
Uh, okay, and then like one more question, like what are the roles I could apply after completion of the training?
Now, just tell me, do you have any experience of in US mortgage?
Yes, yes, I do have the overall experience. 6.2, it is in US residential only, but
Okay.
like I'm now working with LTV part only. So
Acha, loan
that,
to value only.
yes,
Mhm.
so that's why I don't know the entire what.
Okay.
I'm
Then, man, I will suggest. I mean, see, I will give you few scenarios. I mean, live scenarios, few things, practical. I mean, first of all, you should know what is theoretical knowledge. Then I will give practical. Then I will give assessment. According to that, we will discuss. I mean, after that, I personally take interview. Okay, mock interview,
sure, sure.
and
Yeah.
then I will suggest you because today, if I am suggesting that, that not, I mean, that's not fair for you and me as well. Okay,
Okay.
so. What else, guys? Speak up, guys. Speak up. I mean, if
Vishwa,
you
what are the
really
investors that we are going to deal with?
see, investor and as their investor guidelines, FHA, VA, Fannie, Freddie. Okay, I will I mean, consider all this and guidelines as well. So each and everything. I am not skipping anything, guys. Okay, I'm
Okay.
saying each and everything. It may take some time, guys, but it's my duty. I used to do that only. I'm not the person, somebody's asking me and I know something and I'm not giving. That won't happen, guys. Yes, Somu is there, right? He's not speaking utter a word, guys. Uh,
Yes, sir.
you
Yes,
there,
sir.
right?
I'm here. Yes, yes, sir. I'm listening. I'm listening all about. But I have a little bit confusion about this course because I'm totally different from this course. No? So little bit confusion is there for me
No worry, no worry. Guys,
because
let me tell you one thing. Yeah, yeah, I understand why you are not speaking. I understand, guys. See, if you are new, no, I see half knowledge is always worst. I directly say that. If you should have nothing or you should have everything. Why I'm saying? Because see, you don't know anything, right? It's opportunity to you because you will completely focused what you are learning, how you are learning. And half means what? You know salary, but you don't know anything about. So it's okay. Don't worry. I mean, I'm not saying that few people are having some experience. That is not the half. I'm half means something you know, but you know don't know completely like that. So it's okay. No
yes,
worries.
yes,
But I'm very
And
interested and looking
uh,
forward to get in this process in this field, Mortis.
no, no, no. See, guys, I suggest if you are interested, if you want to, make a career in, then only. If you are not interested, then why should I go for it? If interest is there, then welcome straight away. If interest is not there, and that should not happen, guys. It should be come from your heart only. You should decide that your goal and possibilities and current market as well, guys. Okay. I mean, there are opportunities in other sectors as well, but as compare that, I mean, very well. You are also professional. You are working somewhere, some for someone.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. If you people have something, please suggest me so that I'm writing it down. If not, then I hope more than 1 hour, guys. Correct?
Yeah, Vishwa, you have
Chat.
covered everything, and we got to know what we are going to learn, and we are clear
Mhm.
with that. And if there is
Okay.
anything, we will let you know.
Obviously,
Going
obviously.
forward.
They have created group as well, guys. I mean, my point of view is suppose while speaking, you might have forgot, you might don't get an idea. No worries. You can ping on me WhatsApp. Okay. We are in the group. So, and each and everything is on our website as well, guys. Small things, practical documents you would not see anywhere, guys. Trust me, guys. When I'm saying this now, you would not see actual appraisal report. You would not see appraisal URLA form. Okay. We have each and everything. Okay. Sample forms we have so that you will, one site only you can identify, oh, this is Urla. This is how it works. This is pay stub. This is bank statement. Okay. So each and everything we have with us. So don't worry. Mm, Bala, you there? I mean,
I am there, Vishwa. This is
okay.
Bhanu.
Oh, sorry, Bhanu. I mean, Bala is also there. I thought that. Okay, Bhanu. Okay. No
Yeah,
issue.
no, Bala was busy with some own stuff. So yeah. Apart from this, guys, over our website, you can also find assessments. You can attempt assessments too for practice. Okay, we have around 10 to 15 assessments. So once your admission process has been completed, we will give you access to our website so that you can log in. And once you complete with 20 to 50% of your course, you can log in and attempt some assessments so that you can get a practical knowledge also. Right? This is, I am just adding on.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Sure, Bhanu.
Yeah, and study material will be provided and case studies will be provided related to calculations for capacity and credit. Okay, and interview questions as informed by Vishwas sir. So, interview questions will be provided like scenario based questions, technical based questions. It's near about 250 to 300, starting from the basic mortgage to till scenario based. And I myself and Viswas sir will take you through the mock interviews too to get practiced. From our institute side, we will give our 100% along with the placement support. Okay, so then it's your call to join the institute. If everybody is willing to join, please complete with your admission process. Tomorrow, please join us at the same time, 2 p.m. I hope everybody is comfortable with the timing.
Yeah, yeah.
2
Yeah,
to
guys,
3
suggest
p.m.
us, no, so that we can. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Please suggest, so that I mean, I also, because
If you
see,
are
there are two other batches, so I need to be prepared, so that actually I'm working in night shifts, guys. Okay, so the reason we are asking,
Yeah, that is the only reason we are just asking. If you are not available at this shift timing, at this batch timing, we will plan accordingly for any other batch. So,
No,
any
I'm comfortable
questions?
in this.
Oh, okay, thank you. Any questions for us?
Ma'am, I have a one little question as well. That
Vipin, right?
after joining the yes, ma'am, Lipin. Actually, after joining, let's suppose that we enroll the classes from tomorrow. So, ma'am, after done the overall training period, so will interviews be conducted frequently?
Yes, mock interview will be conducted frequently in the sense once the basic mortgage topics has been covered, I will take you through the mock interview. And once the segment wise, we will take like credit part get complete. We will have a mock session on that particular credit part along with the basic one and collateral part. Like individual C, we will take you through the mock interviews.
Yeah,
We
no,
will
ma'am,
take
but I'm
around 4 to 5 mock interviews.
yeah, but ma'am, I'm also talking about in the sense of for giving the interview to the major companies like First Source, Sutherland, like this, not in the training session only.
No, see, we will refer to the fewer companies. We have HR person contact information.
Okay.
So we will
Uh,
refer HR contact information. You can talk to the HR person and schedule your interview.
okay.
And any hirings are going on with any companies, we will keep you updated over the groups so that you guys can apply.
Okay,
don't
ma'am.
worry,
Okay.
guys.
I understand.
As I told you, 12 or 13 companies, or I know personally. So whatever openings are they have, I will come to know. Then I will personally, and I will inform Banu, and she will inform you people as well. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I have from clear my all the question.
Okay,
Okay,
welcome.
guys, if you don't have anything, we'll end up the session. So, sir, Vishwas, if you have anything, you can discuss with them. Otherwise, we'll end up the session.
No, Banu, I completed. I
Oh,
was expecting from them, so that's fine.
so, guys, we are done from our side. If you have any, please let us know. If not, you can leave the session.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Vishwa.
Good
Thank you,
day.
Bhanu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Happy.
guys. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, Vishwas. Bye.